What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. Just wanted to say a small thing that was on my mind this morning. I had a friend of mine from South Carolina call me yesterday, and he said a statement, man, that really stuck out to me. You know what he said to me? He said, "Phoenix, I've been watching you, man. I see what you're doing. And you know what it reminds me of? Because ain't nobody doing what you're doing, bro. I don't know if you're aware of this. I don't know if you have Googled this. I don't know if you have did research. But there is no one doing what you're doing. And you know what you remind me of? MLK of Welding." He said, "Man, you remind me of Dr. Luther King Jr. of Welding. You are the black man doing something that don't too many people want to see you do." You know? And I get that. Because at first, I'm going to tell you, I'm just out here just winging it, just doing my thing. But people don't want to see me win. You know, they want to see my demise. And also why he told me that yesterday. Now, he said this, maybe a few hours later, I received some hate mail off my Instagram Hog on Welding account. And I'm going to tell you what the guy said. The guy said, "Nigger, I'm going to fuck your wife and slap your kids, bitch." That's what he said, man. You know, I ain't even get mad. I reported it, took photos of what I sent, of what he said, and just kept it. And like, you know, you threatening me, and we'll get you a charge. You know what I mean? But I get it, though. A lot of people don't want to see someone like me, that looks like me, actually be doing what I'm doing. And I'm just being independent, man. I'm just learning this stuff, man. I just want to do something different. I want to give back. So, you know, if I can't give something to who I'm trying to give it to, someone that I'm not trying to focus on needs this assistance too. So I'm going to help them. I'm going to help whoever is available and want it and need it. But I know I got something. And I know it's valuable. Because it can change your life. Because they've already shown me that it's possible, because I've already changed some people's lives and I wasn't even aware of it. You know, when you're doing what you're doing and you focus and you're grinding, you just focus and you're grinding, you're building. You're not necessarily paying attention what's going on in the background. I'm just grinding, working, doing my thing. And my guy also says that, man, you're consistent every day, you blogging something. The way I feel like, if I wake up every day, I'm going to say something every day. Because there was a day that I wasn't promised. So whatever I go through this day, I'm going to share something of it. If it's a photo, if it's a video, if it's just some words. You know, sometimes we all have them days, we be like, man, you know what I mean? I get it, you know. But stay focused on whatever it is you're trying to do. And don't let nobody sidetrack you, throw you off just because they don't like what you're doing. Keep doing it anyway. Okay? You know, I embrace being the MLK of Welding from my standpoint, as far as being independent and doing it the way I'm doing it. Like, you got different people that's doing it, but they not necessarily doing it the way I am and from where I'm from. I'm giving you this knowledge from a street and educational background, but I'm a street guy. You know what I mean? I was raised from the streets, so I look at things different. So getting it from me, you're going to get it from both levels. You don't have to be from over here to know how to survive and go without to get to where you're trying to get to. I've been going without all my whole life, so if I got to make a sacrifice so I can get over the hump, that's nothing. Let's do it. Stand me up. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to do whatever it takes to get me to that next level. Now, that's not stepping on nobody. That's not belittling nobody. That's not pointing the finger at nobody. It's just me doing my thing. You know, just like I told a guy, I said, man, since I've been in the Phoenix area, I do not use another job as a reference. I use what I did on that job. This was the contract. I use that as my reference. I take photos, archives, actions speak louder than words. If you seeing me do this, it's evident that I know what I'm doing. And I learned to do it. Some people, you just have to do it that way. You know, it is what it is. But I will say this morning. Whatever you got on your heart to do, do it. You know, you black, you got something you're trying to do it. Don't worry about the support, because a lot of times we be trying to get that support. We might not get that support, but you can still do your movement. Stay focused. Hold on.